Have you ever heard that the gut is the second brain? Or that about 70% of the immune system is localized in the gut? Why does the gut play such an important role in the body?
In this video, we're diving into the importance of a healthy digestive tract. The gut consists of several organs like your stomach, intestines, and colon. Within the gut is the microbiome, which is made up of microorganisms including good and bad bacteria.
A healthy gut requires a diverse variety of bacteria, and ideally you want the bacteria to be in a balanced state. You may be wondering what happens when there are imbalances. Your gut plays a role in your immune system, digestion, mood, energy, and more. Imbalances can affect these areas while increasing your susceptibility to disease.
Now, let's revisit the idea of the gut being the second brain in your body. The gut has its own nervous system made up of millions of neurons. Your gut communicates with your brain by producing neurotransmitters. One neurotransmitter that you may have heard of is called serotonin. Your gut produces about 80 to 90% of this key hormone that helps to regulate your mood and happiness.
It's amazing to know that the gut can influence emotions. Research is currently underway to understand the link between gut health and mental health. Many researchers are starting to find that issues with the gut microbiome can be an indicator of mental illnesses, in addition to physical illnesses.
Now, we've talked about the importance of a healthy gut, but let's dive into how the digestive system functions. There are several processes involved. The first two key processes are digestion and assimilation. Digestion is the breakdown of food both mechanically by chewing your food and chemically by using saliva, digestive enzymes, and stomach acids. Once food is digested, assimilation comes into play.
Assimilation is all about how your body is absorbing food and utilizing the nutrients. This step is key because nutrients need to be distributed properly to the rest of the body to carry out functions.
So you can be eating a great diet, but if your digestion is not working properly, your body cannot get the nutrients it needs for the body's systems to function optimally.
Exactly.
Cleansing and elimination are other processes that follow. Your body excretes waste products to keep your body clean and to provide protection. If not, toxins and excess waste could cause damage to your body. Luckily, your body has natural detoxification systems to do this. Your liver, kidneys, colon, and bladder are some of the key organs that help prevent toxic buildup in your body. Keeping these pathways working properly is important for optimal health and prevention of chronic illness.
Now, what can you do to promote a healthy gut microbiome and optimal digestion? One of the most important things that you can do is eating a healthy, balanced diet. Did you know that sugar can feed the bad bacteria in your body? Do your best to limit high sugar and processed foods and choose whole foods with plenty of fiber. Fiber provides bulk to keep things moving while acting as a prebiotic. Prebiotics help feed probiotics or beneficial bacteria in your gut.
Another thing that you can do is cleanse. What exactly does this mean? The goal of cleansing is to cleanse the digestive tract of toxins and essentially reset your system. As mentioned, your body has natural systems, so you'll want to choose foods and supplements that support these. When in doubt, consult your healthcare physician.
Young Living has made it simple to target digestion, assimilation, cleansing, and elimination. We've curated 2 kits featuring some of our best naturally derived nutritional products. Let's talk about our Life Essentials 1 kit. This kit includes NingXia Red, Essentialzyme 4, ICP Daily, Life 9, and Peppermint Vitality.
Wow, what a great combination to support your digestive health. It's no surprise that NingXia Red, a Young Living favorite, is in this kit. Just 2 ounces of this antioxidant-rich drink supports overall wellness, energy levels, and more. This is such a staple in my home.
Me too. Now, to aid in digestion and allow for optimal nutrient absorption, we've got you covered with Essentialzyme 4. Enzymes are important because they help break down the fats, carbs, fiber, and proteins you eat every day. This multi-spectrum enzyme complex releases animal and plant-based enzymes at separate times within the digestive tract. One of the capsules releases in the stomach, while the other releases in the intestines. This gives you the support you need in 2 places. Simply take 1 set of the 2 capsules within 15 minutes of your largest meals.
Next up is ICP Daily, Young Living's newest daily prebiotic and fiber drink. This passion fruit flavored drinks helps fuel your body's healthy gut bacteria, along with supporting your digestive and immune health. With 6 grams of plant-based prebiotics and 5 grams of soluble fibers, it helps regulate bowel movements and aids in the cleansing of toxins. One of the best parts is that this gentle formula is easy on the stomach. To enjoy the benefits, you'll mix 1 scoop in with 8 ounces of water or juice daily.
Wow, that covers so much of what we talked about earlier. Another Young Living must-have product is Life 9, a high-potency probiotic that combines 17 billion live active cultures from 9 beneficial strains. Probiotics provide the good bacteria that your digestive system needs to thrive. This supplement helps promote healthy digestion and helps maintain normal intestinal function for the overall support of a healthy immune system. Take 1 capsule every night following a meal.
Last but not least is Peppermint Vitality Essential Oil. This bright, cool flavor is instantly recognizable and does more than just add a cool, refreshing flavor. Add a drop of Peppermint Vitality to a glass of water to help support healthy digestive function and gastrointestinal comfort.
Those are such great products. Our second kit was curated with 4 products that can help cleanse your system and eliminate toxins. The Life Essentials 2 kit features ICP Daily, Essentialzyme, ComforTone, and DiGize Vitality Essential Oil. You may have noticed another enzyme product in this kit. Essentialzyme helps support overall digestion with its combination of essential oils, herbs, and pancreatic and plant-derived enzymes. This bilayered multi-enzyme complex helps stimulate overall enzyme activity to combat the modern diet.
Next, let's talk a little bit about ComforTone. ComforTone contains many natural herbs like echinacea, cayenne pepper, burdock root, and scillion seed. It also contains oils known for their comforting aroma. When taken internally, several of them may help to support digestive health and wellness. Tarragon, ginger, tangerine, anise, peppermint, rosemary, ocotea, and chamomile are all oils found in the ComforTone capsules. This is a great product to take during a cleansing routine. All you have to do is take 1 capsule 3 times daily.
Also, be sure you are drinking plenty of water when taking these supplements. Try to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces per day. During a cleanse, it is recommended to drink even more.
That is such a great reminder. Last but not least, we can't forget to mention our incredible DiGize Vitality Essential Oil Blend. This blend will quickly become your best friend as you work toward a healthier digestive system.
Absolutely. DiGize Vitality contains ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, tarragon, and patchouli. These oils are derived from plants that have long been associated with digestive support. For example, in some cultures, fennel seeds are often chewed after meals.
Super interesting. To use DiGize Vitality, you can add a few drops of DiGize in a veggie capsule or simply put a few drops under your tongue before or after eating.
With so many amazing targeted supplements to support your digestive system, enhancing your gut health has never been easier. A cleanse doesn't have to be anything major. You can gently cleanse your system every day by making small adjustments.
Find these products and more at youngliving.com today.